Hello boys and girls, and welcome to ALD, where we are going to be doing another round of spelling word drawing and spelling word writing. So we need something to draw on and something to draw with, and then we are going to write some sentences using the spelling words that we have today. Our first one is Glasses. Glasses. Our first one is glasses. So why don't we draw a stick figure head. World famous, I might add. And then draw a couple squares, or more like rectangles, aren't they? Draw a line to connect them. And you put a little dot in each one. There we go. And you can do whatever else you want. Draw some hair on there. Or a stick figure. However you want to decorate. It's up to you. Next up we have F-R-O-G-S. Frogs. Okay, so for frogs, why don't we come over here. A little line like this, and then two bumps, one on each side. Just like that. And then kind of round around. And we'll put another little round line on each side. So far so good. Let's put a couple little long U's, it looks like. It looks like they're long U's there. We'll bring these in just a little bit. And then on the bottom, let's draw these feet. There we go. And there's our frog. Put some eyes up here. Put a little mouth. There's a frog. Now it's frogs. So we could make another one over here. If you want. Maybe a smaller one. I'm going to try to follow the same pattern that I just did. There we go, and then add the feet. There we go. Frogs. Alright. Looks good so far, huh? Down here, our next one is D-O-G-S. This one is dogs. Alright, so for dogs, let's start off with an oval. And coming down on the side of both of the ovals. Like that. Maybe come down from here right next to these things. There we go. That. And a line underneath. What do you think? Is that looking like a dog? Let's add the finishing touches. So we'll put a couple lines like this, or little dots actually, and then we'll add the lines. This dog is different colors. And a little nose, give a little smile. There's our first dog. Now it's dogs, so I thought, you know what, we need to draw more than one. So we'll start off with a couple lines like this. Draw the nose. Give it a little snout that almost looks like a bushy mustache, but it's not. Almost looks like it has hair here. Let's give it some fur that looks like hair. Maybe even make it a little bit poofy on the sides. Let me say. Okay. Maybe get a little line here. There you go. There's our dogs. Dogs. Okay. Coming up next is F-I-S-H-I-N-G. This is fishing. And we're going to put a stick figure right over here for fishing. So I'm going to put my stick figure here, maybe even give him a nice fishing hat. A nice smile. Draw our legs. Instead of our world famous stick figure shoes, we're going to have some galoshes because he's wading out in the water and his world famous stick figure shoes would get ruined. So he's going to wear these. Try to keep the water out. And we'll have a fishing pole like that. And then we'll draw the line coming down the string. Here we go. And at the end, we have a fish. There is fishing. And our final word for today is S-O-C-K-S. Socks. Socks. So let's draw a pair of socks, and I'm going to make these ones green. Let's get these socks. I'm going to color mine in. Just like that. You don't have to make yours green, but you can make them whatever color you want. And you know what I'm going to do? These are stinky socks, so I'm going to put a couple flies buzzing around, hanging out these stinky socks, and maybe put these there. Those lines to show that they stink. Alright, so let's brainstorm a little bit for our sentences. We have glasses. I have glasses. Could be a sentence, or he has glasses. Frogs. We could do, look at those frogs, or I like frogs. You could say I have 2 dogs, or I love dogs. I like to go fishing. Fishing is my favorite thing to do. Those socks are green, or those socks are stinky. Alright, boys and girls, the rest is up to you. I cannot wait to see what you come up with, not only on your pictures, but your sentences. Please have fun with this, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.